So here's how to integrate QuickBooks to WordPress. First of all, open up your browser and search for QuickBooks. Then click on the first link as shown here. After that, buy a subscription or log in to your account. And once you're in the dashboard, go over to Apps on the left panel and select Find Apps. Now, click on the search bar and search for WordPress. And as you can see, it is not available. So now we will open another tab and search for Zapier. After that, click on the first link and go to zapier.com. From here, go to Apps on the left panel. After that, click on the search bar and search for QuickBooks. And as you can see, QuickBooks Online is available right here. Click on Connect. Now wait for it to load up and select Production from the options. Then click on Yes, continue to QuickBooks Online. So after it loads up, click on Connect, and this will connect your QuickBooks to Zapier. And once you're done connecting QuickBooks, you will get to see something like this. After that, go over to the App section on the left panel. Now, click on the search bar again and search for WordPress. And as you can see here, WordPress is available. Just click on Connect. After that, put in all the details of your WordPress and click on Yes, continue to WordPress. So this way, you can easily use Zapier to integrate QuickBooks to WordPress.